Now we're going to compare electric force with magnetic force. So let's start with the direction of the electric force. The electric force is pointing along the electric field direction. Remember that the electrical force a charge feels is its charge Q multiplied by the electric field, and it's pointing along the electric field direction. The magnetic force Fb is QV cross B. It is the cross product between velocity and magnetic field. It's perpendicular to the plane which contains the velocity vector and the magnetic field vector. So in this case, the force is perpendicular to the magnetic field. Now, in terms of the subject of the force, we have, in the electrical case, a charged particle feels the electrical force. It's Q times the electric field. In the case of magnetic force, it's a moving charged particle. The charged particle must have a velocity to feel the magnetic force. It cannot have a magnetic force acting on it if the velocity is zero. So stationary charged particles will not feel a magnetic force. Now, as for the work done by this force, the work done going from point A to point B along a certain path is QE, the electric force, dot product with the displacement ds vector. So if we integrate this throughout the path we take to go from point A to point B, we will calculate the work done by the electric force. In the case of magnetic force, the magnetic field is, since the magnetic force is perpendicular to the magnetic field, we have magnetic force is perpendicular to the magnetic field. The dot product of the magnetic force with the displacement vector Fb dot ds will be equal to 0. So we will see that the work done by this force is 0 because the magnetic force is perpendicular to velocity vector. The dot product will have cosine 90 in it. So this is ds dt, remember. So we will have a 0 dot product between the magnetic force and the displacement vector ds. Therefore, the work done will be 0. So this tells us that the magnetic force does no work on a moving charged particle. It can only alter the direction of the velocity. It cannot induce basically an acceleration in the direction of the velocity because it cannot do any work on the moving charged particle. Now, what is the unit of magnetic field? Magnetic field is SI units, is measured in Tesla, which is denoted by T. Since the magnetic force Fb is QV cross B, if you do dimensional analysis here, you see that B is the force unit newtons divided by coulombs and multiplied by meters per second. So newtons divided by coulombs meters per second. Coulombs per second dq dt is amperes, that's current. So Newton divided by ampere meter is Tesla. That's the SI unit of magnetic field. The CGS unit, centimeter gram second unit, you should be aware of, is Gauss, and 1 Tesla is 10 kilogauss. But normally, in this course, we will only consider SI units. What are the typical magnetic field values? Earth's magnetic field at the surface is about 0.5 Gauss or 0.5 10 to minus 4 Tesla. If you consider the impulses that go through our nerves in the human brain, they create a magnetic field of the order 10 to minus 13 Tesla. In a lab electromagnet, which has an iron core in it, so copper coil around an iron core, this creates a magnetic field 2 Tesla, about 2 Tesla. So that's a typical magnetic field we can reach in the Laboratory, a superconducting magnet can carry much higher current densities than a regular electromagnet, so it can have a magnetic field from few Tesla to 30 Tesla. So these are the values we can obtain. Now there are some very special laboratories where we can have very short amounts of very high currents, pulsed currents that create magnetic fields. Those can reach values of the order of 100 hundreds of Tesla. Okay, so here we have basically summarized the relationship between electric force and magnetic force. Direction-wise, electric force is pointing along the electric field, magnetic force is perpendicular to the magnetic field. Electric force acts on a charged particle, magnetic force acts on a moving charged particle. Work done by electric force is integral A to B QE dot ds. Work done by magnetic force is zero. It can only change the direction of the velocity. Magnetic field is measured in Tesla, which is newtons per ampere meter. 1 Tesla is 10 kilogauss. Typical magnetic field values are 0.5 Gauss at the Earth's surface. Human brain nerve impulses 10 to minus 13 Tesla. 2 Tesla lab electromagnet up to 30 Tesla using superconducting magnets.